tenga las manos para
Now this was one of my, if not my favorite ride at Disneyland. Matterhorn Bobsleds. You're just going up and down and left and right, inside, outside. I really enjoy rides like this, and I wish we had this in Walt Disney World so I could just go and ride and ride and ride and ride. This POV was my first ever ride and trip to Disneyland, and I'm so glad I got to experience it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Disneyland ride is, and if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Think about Groupie. Bye!